So hey Snoop, what are we gonna look at today?
Well, like this Impala right here.
Hey, so welcome everybody. Today we're going to check out a 59 Impala. Hey, what do you call it? Man, this is a pretty sweet ride. I've seen it around town several times. I finally met the owner. He's going to give us a little insight to why he built it and why he likes it, and take a listen.
Yeah, my name is Dennis. I'm at the Rockyville reunion. Got my 59 Impala here. My first car in high school was a 59, so I wanted that back. I found this in Idaho, 2018. It was completely stock. I took it home to Oregon, and all my buddies helped me rebuild it. And I had one guy do the paint, one interior, one motor, one air ride. You know, got it all done, and now it's time to enjoy it. Thank you.
Some motherfucker chasing me around all day yesterday. Little white dude with a little camera. This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
So hey, thanks for watching another episode of Chasing Havasu. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and hope to see you again soon.